Did you know that you can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars online by using the most well-known platform? Most of us listen to music and watch videos every day, but you didn't know that you can earn money out of it. In this video, I will teach you a strategy wherein you don't need prior experiences or even skills to earn money online. And the good thing here, it's 100% free, and of course, it's available around the globe. Wherever you are in the world, you can definitely do this. If you listen to one song, you can earn $5. And if you watch 5 videos, you can earn $25. If you do the math, 20 songs are equivalent to $100. The insane thing is, you can do it within a day. And it will take 5 to 10 minutes only. It's very flexible, by the way. You can use your smartphones, laptop, or computers in this strategy. The thing that I love the most about this strategy is you can do it again and again. Just follow all these steps for you to maximize your earning. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. The first website that we will be using is current.us. As you can see here, earn points by playing your favorite music. Yes, you're right! You can now earn money by listening to your favorite music. As easy as that. When we go to this website, you will see that this application is all available in App Store and Google Play Store. Whether you are using an Apple or Android device, you can absolutely do this strategy. If you go to the Google Play Store, the application will look like this. Make sure that you will pick the right application. In searching for the application, always be reminded that the logo looks like this. And on Apple App Store, this is how it looks like. Be sure to click the right one. As you scroll a little bit on the Play Store, you will see that this application has 4 out of 5 stars. It's insane. As you can notice, this application has over 1 million positive comments and feedback, so you don't need to worry about this application. And on the Apple App Store, you will see that this platform has 4 stars out of 5 too. And it has over 50,000 ratings. Let's go back to the current. Scroll a little bit and you will see that they have over 100,000 radio stations. And for your information, one of their stations is YouTube. If you listen to songs here, you will earn points, and when you earn points, you can convert them into cash. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. What I want you to do is go over to YouTube Music. You will find that by entering music.youtube.com on the search bar, when you go over this website, you will land on this page right here. As you can see, there are a lot of recommended songs, artists, playlists, and so on. If you play this song with Current, it will generate profit on complete autopilot. To do that, just find a playlist that you want. And when looking at this playlist, there are a lot of different songs. As you can notice, after playing the first song, it will automatically play the second one and so on. If you look at it down below, you'll see this button right here. This is the repeat button. Now, if you click on this, the playlist will repeat playing after the last song is played. So from the last song on this playlist, it will automatically go back to the first song and play the whole playlist again. This way, we can make money passively, because the more songs we play, the more we earn. Now, the first step is to queue a lot of songs. As you can see here on my playlist, I have about 20 songs right here. The next step I want you to do is go back to the home page and click on Explore. By doing this, you will see more songs, albums, genres, even moods. In this way, they will pay you more when you play from Explore. I will be teaching you 2 methods, and I already showed you the first one. The second method that will help us to earn money with Current and YouTube is watching videos. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn money by watching YouTube videos. All you need to do is to look and play a compilation of songs. For example, this one, relaxing Starbucks-inspired coffee music. This is over a 5-hour music video. Here's a trick. If you're using a laptop or a computer, you can open multiple tabs and play music or watch videos. Be sure that you will choose more than our YouTube videos and click on mute here to avoid overlapping sounds. In my case, I have opened 3 tabs here. I will mute the 2 videos and leave this tab unmuted because I love this kind of music and it will help me to relax. Another trick, go to the settings on this video and set the playback speed to 2. It will make the music play 2 times faster. And if you have a slow internet connection, you may also adjust the screen resolution. You can do that by clicking this one over here and choose the lowest available resolution. In this case, the lowest one is 144 pixels, so I will definitely choose this one. Before leaving the tabs, be sure that you already set this one. Do a right click on the video and click on loop. This way, the video will automatically repeat playing. The last trick that I will be showing you is to add this YouTube playback speed control as a Chrome extension. This will allow you to multiply the speed by 3. In YouTube, the maximum speed is only 2 times. When we have this extension, it will allow you 3 times, so it will be faster and more efficient. This will help us play a lot of songs in a short time. Right here, you can see that you can manage the speed at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you can see control speed of the YouTube playback using keyboard. Press plus to increase and minus to decrease the playback speed. If you have this extension, you will make more money faster because the videos will play faster, thus you will earn more money fast. The tricks that I already shown you will help you earn money faster. And the insane thing is, after doing all the tricks that I showed you in this video, you can leave your device. Just leave the music or videos playing. You can sleep, do other jobs, or even have a party with your friends while earning money. Let me remind you, you have to connect your YouTube radio station to the current app so that if you play either YouTube music or YouTube videos or even both, you can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars online. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.